this committee. Thank you. You may now take your seat.
Thank you, Comsec.
Tagalog, Bisaya, maing kunti-kunti. Ganyan.
Yes, Tagalog, Bisaya, only a few. A mix of everything.
Ganyan din yung sagot ni Michael Yang sa amin nung Formally Investigation.
Iyo.
I don't have a Philippine passport. None.
At ito, birth certificate nyo dito sa Pilipinas. Late registration rin.
When I was here, when I was 2 to 3 years old, it was my grandfather who helped me come up with this birth certificate. I'm not sure, maybe he did this for the convenience of the business here.
May TIN, may LTO, may ACR na iba-iba yung pangalan, pero hindi Pilipino. Hindi makapagsalitan Tagalog ng Pilipino, hindi makasalita ng Bisaya.
Right now, I don't have any related business with the POGO.
Right now. How about before? Did you have any POGO business or POGO-related business?
營業字
Before, I had transaction with the POGO company for renting out a condo unit.
What about Oro One? Oro One is a POGO service provider.
Sure about the name of the company if it's Or1, but what I can remember is perhaps during that time when they were opening, they needed a business permit. They needed to apply for a business or operating permit. That's why my name was there.
Sir, ipakita ko sa inyo yung letrato ni Wei Xiong Lin o Alan Lim mula sa aming dating investigasyon sa Formally ng Blue Ribbon Committee.
有什么请客啦？这些有见过。
Yes, I think I have met him during some Chinese social events. For example, like wedding or any kind of events with the Chinese people. So I cannot confirm the exact number of foreign nationals here at Sanjian Steel Corporation, but I am estimating around 110.
110.
110 Chinese nationals.
Hang in there, Mr. Yang. Pwede pong matanong Yusek Cruz sa PAOK, ilan ang alam ninyong at nako-confirm ninyong foreign nationals dyan sa Sanja facility ni Mr. Yang?
Yes, Madam Chair. During their heyday, we're looking at around 2,000 POGO workers. But ngayon, ma'am, mga less than 300 na lang po.
To Mr. Yang that I asked a while ago, so he doesn't know the name, the English name because he doesn't know English.
Alam mo, ginagago tayo nitong Chinese national to. Marunong ka ba Nagalog at magbisaya eh? Kunwari lang, hindi ka marunong eh. I know you understand Tagalog and the Visayan language. Ginagago mo kami. You're making a fool out of us Filipinos here.
马尼拉机场啊，都没有警察陪着我啊。
So it was in Manila airport when I was caught and there was no police who was with me.
Anyway, I don't expect you to answer this committee honestly, but I just hope that you rot in jail.